The next step is to create the gaps between the end prongs. This could be done by trimming from a different plane, but I want to show a different technique which is also useful on complex geometry. For this step, I'll sketch splines directly on the 3D surface and use them to create split line features. I start by opening a new 3D sketch and invoking the Spline on Surface tool to draw the spline for the next gap. As a tip, it's best to create the endpoints actually on the surface, and then give them a coincident sketch relation to the edge later. Notice that a spline handle was used to round out the bottom of the gap shape. When the sketch is complete, exit the 3D sketch and use the Split Line feature with the intersection option to split the face. I'll use the same procedure to create one half of the gap for the last prong. This time, the spline handle at the bottom is controlled within a long X relation to make it pass over the plane of symmetry smoothly. Again, use the split line with the intersection option to split the face. Rather than using trim to create the gaps, this time I'll use the Delete Face feature. Delete Face can be found in the menus at Insert, Face, Delete. Select the two split-out faces and make sure the Delete option is being used. Next, I want to add some drainage holes to the bottom of the scoop. This is done while the part is a surface instead of as a solid because the holes will remain normal to the surface. If they were cut in the solid, the holes would be cut in a direction normal to the sketch plane. I'll begin with a sketch on the top plane. There will be 5 drainage holes with a diameter of 0.35 inches. Since we're only modeling half of the scoop, I only need to include 3 holes. To position the sketch, I'll add a 9.25-inch dimension from the part origin to the center of the middle hole. With the sketch complete, I'll launch the trim feature and keep the surface outside the holes. and this completes the outside face of the scoop.